Hey guys, it's a little bit after midnight here where I am. I'm gonna make this pretty quick. Uh, I was lying in bed and this fire alarm started beeping at me, so I took it off the ceiling to replace the battery. And I took it off and didn't really see a way to replace the battery at first. Kinda, it's like, what the hell? Started looking at it more and I noticed right where my thumb is, the second to last bullet point says, alarm is sealed and not user serviceable. And there was some other language on here as well somewhere about how it's good for 10 years, but this unit is from the end of 2018, so now we're talking about between 5 and 6 years right now at the time of filming. Kind of pissed me off. Like, this is basically a throwaway part, forced obsolescence, and you're not allowed to even change the battery on it. Seems kind of crazy. Maybe there's a good reason for it. I just don't know what it is. It's just like when you buy this, it comes with a little ring that you put on your ceiling that you can like pick it up and twist it into that ring. So when you've got that already up on your ceiling, you're essentially tied into getting this exact brand going forward. So it just seems kind of crappy to me. I really was honestly kind of pissed off by that. So I thought before I throw it in the trash, let me have a go. I could literally see what looked like a 9-volt battery right through here. I don't know why they left this little port here. Like, I guess you could like test the voltage without, I don't know, but like you can't replace the freaking battery, but you can see the terminals of it. So it's like, well, let me start prying these clips apart. So I'm not gonna do it again. Yeah, I need to go to bed, but I already did it, so you'll have to take my word for it. If you just pry these 3 little clips out, and you can kind of see them in there, you could just use like a small flathead screwdriver or a spudger tool. The whole thing comes apart in half, and it's literally just a 9-volt battery. Let me see if yeah, here it is. Bog standard 9-volt battery. That's all that was in there. Off the shelf. Nothing special, not proprietary in any way, just an asshole design. So I already replaced it, obviously, with just a 9-volt battery that I had, and that's it. Just an asshole design. So I have no respect for that kind of thing. So the point of this video is just calling that out and telling you that you probably can replace it. See the little LED coming on there. Like, it seems to be working fine. I will test it against maybe like my fireplace tomorrow, just to make sure that everything's working fine. But anyway, yeah, it kind of pissed me off, guys. So good night, end of video.